We discuss exercise 11.3, the second Roman. In first question, show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equals to 1. So first we can take LHS value. So what is the LHS value? LHS equals to tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay. Now all ratios are in terms of tan. So we can take any two angles, then their sum is 90 degrees. That is called complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Now 48 plus 42 is 90 degrees and 16 plus 74 is 90 degrees. Now we can write order wise. That is equal tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now we can change either tan 48 or tan 42. Okay, now we have to change into tan 48. Tan 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. It will be tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Now, we have to change it either tan 16 or tan 74. Tan 16 can be written as tan 90 degrees minus 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Okay, this is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 degrees minus theta equals to cot theta. Okay, this term can be written as cot. The replace theta by how much? 42 degrees. Now into tan 42 degrees. Now it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. This term can be written as tan 74 degrees into, cot 74 degrees. Tan 90 minus 74 is cot 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now cot 42, we have to change into either cot 42 or tan 42. Cot theta, similarly, since cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Now, cot 42 can be written as 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees. Similarly, cot 74 can be written as cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Now, 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now tan 74 degrees, tan 74 degrees are cancelled. Tan 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees are cancelled. It will be 1. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. So this is the first question from second Roman. Okay. Now we are going to the second question. The second question. The second question is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees equals to 0. Clear? First we have to take the LHS value. We can take LHS value. Now LHS equals to cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees. Now we have to change into either cos or sin. For example, first we can take cos 36 can be written as cos 90 degrees minus 54 degrees into, and the same way cos we can change either first term or second term. Okay, we can write cos 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. It will be cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. That is equal, it is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 degrees minus theta can be written as sin theta. Now it is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Replace theta by 54 degrees. Now we can write sin 54 degrees into, this value is cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Now we can write sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. We have to write the A into B, A or B into A. These terms can be written as sin 36 degrees, this term, into sin 54 degrees. Why? Because these are multiple. A into B equals to B into A. Now sin 54 degrees into sin 36 or sin 36 into sin 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now you have to observe that these are plus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees are cancelled. It will be 0. That is equal RHS. Clear? Therefore LHS equals to RHS. This is completed. Now as the second model, we have to change into only cos. Now we have to change into sin. Okay. So LHS equals to, next process, cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. Now we can write as this cos values, cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 can be written as sin 90 degrees minus 54 degrees. Sin 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is 36. At the same way, sin 54 can be written as sin 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. It will be sin 54 degrees. Now it is in the form of sin 90 degrees minus theta equals to cos theta. Now that is equal cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. The replace theta by 54. Now sin 90 minus 54 can be written as cos 54 degrees into sin 90 minus theta. Theta replaced by 36. It is in the form of sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. Similarly cos 36 degrees. Now we can write that is equal A into B or B into A. Now this term can be written as cos 54 degrees into cos 36 degrees minus cos 54 degrees into cos 36 degrees. Now plus cos 54 degrees into cos 36 degrees minus cos 54 degrees into cos 36 degrees are cancelled. it will be 0. That is equal RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. This is the second Roman. So, second Roman from exercise 11.3 is completed. Okay. మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలాగే ఒక లైక్ చేయండి. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. థ్యాంకింగ్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.